Hey all! Today I'll be showing you how to make your own Macrame wall hanging. Welcome to Sparklebox. If you are visiting our channel for the first time, please go through it. I'm sure you'll be loving the content. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get instant notifications on our new videos. Now, let's have a look at the materials required for our today's DIY. Hey Sparklebox family, I am back with another quiz announcement that will be going live from 1st to 6th November. Quickly check the description below and participate in the quiz to get eligible to monthly giveaways and also grab interesting coupon codes for yourself. Stay tuned with us for more of such exciting announcements. And share this video with your friends and family. If you want us to make any specific DIYs, let us know in the comment section below. I'll be back with another interesting DIY. Until then, let's stay connected with